What is the one fact about the universe that blows your mind the most?
One's just the size and scale of it. I mean, in the piece of the universe we can see, there are something like, roughly, 2 trillion galaxies. We haven't counted them all, but that's an estimate based on surveys of the local universe. 2 trillion. 2,000 billion galaxies. And each galaxy is, let's say, around the size of the Milky Way. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but the Milky Way has 400 billion stars in it. It takes light over 100,000 years to cross a galaxy. And there are 2 trillion of them in the piece of the universe we can see. And we're very sure that that piece that we can see is a small bit of what may be an infinite universe beyond. We don't know, actually.
As we embark on a cosmic journey to unravel the mysteries of the universe, what we find is a vast, expansive universe that continues to astonish us with its magnitude and perpetual expansion. From the countless galaxies to the billions of stars within each, the universe holds hidden secrets that have captivated our curiosity for centuries. Our journey into the cosmos has been a long and intricate process, leading us to a profound of a universe that spans nearly 13.5 billion light years. With this cosmic tapestry, galaxies emerge like celestial masterpieces, each adorned with billions of stars, reminiscent of our own sun, fostering planetary systems and the potential for life. Just a century ago, our perception of the universe was static, until the groundbreaking discovery of Edwin Hubble shattered this notion. The revelation of the universe is in a constant state of expansion, triggered a cascade of experiments, reflections by physicists, and the birth of the Big Bang theory. This transformative theory took us back in time 13.5 billion years ago to a moment of cosmic genesis, a single atom and a colossal bang that initiated the ongoing expansion of the universe. While the Big Bang theory unraveled the mysteries of evolution and the celestial ballet of galaxies and stars, it also left us with profound unanswered questions. Scientists, in their relentless pursuit, grapple with enigmatic queries. Where did the primordial atom originate? Everything that exists in this universe as of today, everything, including the planets, the galaxies, the stars, the sun, so everything came out of one single atom. So where did that atom came from? What existed before the atom? These are some questions which are still left unanswered. Scientists have some explanation even today, but they are mere assumptions. Nothing proved so far. There are other several questions like, what was the source of that unparalleled force behind the cosmic explosion? Because if the explosion happened, that must be something unparalleled force with the tremendous amount of energy that would have caused that explosion, because what we see today is the same effects of that explosion, that the universe is still expanding even after 13.5 billion years.
It's interesting, this idea of the Big Bang created the universe. That's what Einstein's theory says. That's textbook cosmology, if you like. But the current textbook picture is there was a phase in the universe's life before the Big Bang, if you define the Big Bang as the hot, dense phase from which the universe appeared to sort of burst forth 13.8 billion years ago. And that phase is called inflation. So what we think happened is that before that, the universe was accelerating exponentially fast. It means it was doubling and doubling and doubling in size. And the numbers are ridiculous. We think that if you started with a universe that was smaller than a single atom, then it would be bigger by a long way than the whole observable universe, with 350 billion galaxies in it, in less than a millionths of a second. So a very rapid, exponentially fast expansion. And when that stopped, all the energy that was driving that expansion got dumped into space. It heated it up. It produced the particles of matter out of which we're made and all the things that we see out there in the sky. And that's what we see as the Big Bang. So that sounds fanciful, but that's standard cosmology at the moment. The big question then is, well, what started the inflation? What stopped the inflation? How long did the inflation go on for? And the answer to that is, we're not sure. We don't know.
Transitioning into the uncharted realms of cosmic inquiry, we must ponder whether the elusive answers we seek lie beyond the very boundaries of the creation itself. When we delve into the mysteries preceding our perception of the beginning, it begs the question, should we confine our quest for understanding of the parameters of an existence whose genesis traces back to the same atom under scrutiny? Which means every existence that exists today is from the atom, and if we are questioning the same atom about where did this atom came from, about the beginning of this atom, then definitely we are not in the right direction. Can it truly illuminate the origins of its own existence, the atom itself? Perhaps the key to unraveling these enigmas rests beyond the scope of creation. Continuing our journey, we aim to explore these profound questions through the lens of the divine revelations, Al-Quran. But before delving into the unanswered questions of science, it becomes imperative to ascertain whether the Quran aligns with the modern cosmological understanding. What it means is, does the Quran also aligns with the realities of the universe that we see today? Does the Quran also aligns with the Big Bang explosion? Does the Quran also aligns with the single atom from which the whole existence emerged? If the Quran indeed encompasses such themes, it becomes reasonable to turn to this sacred text for insights into the lingering mysteries that continue to elude scientific explanation. As we stand on the threshold of these unanswered questions, what preceded the Big Bang? Where did the first atom originate? Now we embark on a mission guided by the profound work of Shaykh-ul-Islam, Dr. Muhammad Tahir-ul-Qadri. His Quranic Encyclopaedia, spanning 8 volumes and comprising of 5,000 topics, serves as a comprehensive resource for our quest. Our journey begins with the initial chapter of this extraordinary compilation, delving into the core topic, the existence of God. This lays the groundwork of our exploration that seeks to harmonize scientific inquiry with spiritual wisdom. forging a path toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.